Hello, good morning all the lovely children of class 3. How are you? Hope the students of class 3 are very fit, fine and preparing for the annual exam. So dear students, we already have completed chapter number 14 means of communication. Chapter number 13 means of communication. So today it's time to do the exercise of the chapter. Okay, so all of you open your EVS notebook, take out your pencil, eraser and starts doing with me. So there and there you can complete your notebook on time. So let's start. First we will start with the new words of the chapter, right? Okay, so where is the duster? No duster. Okay, so this is class 3 and shit, chalk is very chapter 13. Your heading is new words. Your heading is new words. Okay, so starts writing with me. Your first word is means of communication. Means of communication. First word is means of communication. Second number is sending or receiving messages. Sending or receiving messages. Third is various means of communication. Third is various means of communication. Number 4, sign language. Number 5, smoke signal. Number 6, postcard. Number 7, envelopes. so write these words, then I will rub the board and I will write some more words. Okay. Otherwise, take the screenshot. Number 1, means of communication. This I took from the chapter because the spelling of communication is little big for you. COMMUNICATION, sending or receiving messages. This is the meaning of communication. That's why I have chosen this word. Various means of communication means nowadays in modern time there are so many various means of communication. Sign languages. Sign languages means we can say that early time it was used, sign languages, and nowadays also it is using pupil, those who are not able to hear and speak. Pupil, those who are deaf and dumb, those who are unable, means those who are not fit physically. So they are using sign languages. This is also the means of communication. Sign languages. Sign languages, this language, but a sign language is most important for those persons, those who are not physically fit or those who are deaf and dumb, those who can not hear and cannot not speak. So they will use sign language. They will use sign language. Then smoke signals. Smoke signals means we can say that in early time it was using smoke signal. वो धुआं जलाकर एक सिग्नल देने की कोशिश करते थे. Nowadays it is also using when you are traveling by the train, है ना. I will give you a small example about this smoke signal. When you traveling by the train, है ना. Sometimes it's happen then train जो है वो बहुत fast तेजी से चल रही होती है and suddenly it's happen that the speed of train became slow and you can smell it. There is a fataka type of smell, you can smell it. So that is the smoke signal. This example I will give you in Hindi also. बेटा जब हम ट्रेन से ट्रेवल करते हैं ना तो जो एक्सप्रेस या सुपर फास्ट ट्रेन्स होती हैं वो तो अपनी स्पीड से चलती रहती हैं, लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जंगल में या किसी और जगह पर अचानक से हमें फटाके की बारूद जैसी स्मेल आती है. तो वो जो बारूद जैसी स्मेल होती है ना वो एक तरह का स्मोक सिग्नल होता है. उस स्मोक सिग्नल का मतलब ये होता है कि यहाँ पर आपको ट्रेन की स्पीड कम करनी है. क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो ट्रेन का ट्रैक है, जो ट्रेन की पटरी है, उस पर कुछ ना कुछ काम चल रहा है. अगर यहाँ पर ट्रेन की स्पीड आप एज इट इज फास्ट रखेंगे तो यू विल बी इन ट्रबल और यू कैन मीट विथ एन एक्सीडेंट. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो द स्मोक सिग्नल. अंडरस्टूड? Smoke signal, postcard, envelope and speed sports. This is related with post office. So take a quick screenshot. Now I am going to rub and I will write some more new words. Okay, so let's write some more new words. Dear students, I will send you the picture of new words and question answers in your respective groups. Third diamond, third ruby and third emerald. Each and every group, when you will see this class, that time I will send all these new words and question answers in your groups. Okay, now let's write number 9. Courier. Courier service. pin code. Pin code is very important when we will write the letter. If we will write the right pin code, so letter will reach on that particular places quickly. Mass media. Journalist. And e-readers. I know that this board is not clear to you because my chalk is wet, and whenever we will write with the wet chalk, we can say that words are pasted on the board. Okay, so note down these words quickly. I hope you noted down these words. So shall I rub the board? Okay, I am going to rub the board. Now my handkerchief is wet, so board will take time to dry. Okay, so board will dry, then we will start writing on the board. Now take out your ABS notebook, take out page number 86, and the exercise which is given on the page number 86, exercise number A, take the correct option. When board will dry, then we will start the exercise. Jab tak we will do the orally. Okay, so take the correct option, exercise number A, which is given on page number 86. Let's see what are the, take the correct option. Okay, number A, communication means which is not related to postal services is. What is written in the number A? A communication means which is not related to postal services. There are three options given over here. So I am going to read, then we will choose the right one. A, radio, B, telegram, and C, speed post. So what is the right answer? A communication means which is not related to postal services. Postal services means which is related with post office, right? So what are the services which is related with the post office? Number A, postcard, envelope, inland, speed post, courier services. These type of services is directly associated with post office. And here option number A, radio, option number B, telegram, and option number C, speed post. So what is the right answer? number 1 का right answer is radio. Right answer is radio. So put the tick mark in front of radio. Put the tick mark in front of radio. Okay. So okay, now number 2, which one is easy to carry a pocket? Once again I will read for you because I cannot write, my board is wet. So I am going to orally do with this exercise. Which one is easy to carry a pocket? What things we can carry in our pocket? Number A, computer. Number B, television. Number C, mobile phone. So option A, computer, we cannot carry in the pocket. When we will talk about, or we talk about the laptop also need a bag. We cannot carry in the pocket, जेब में नहीं रख सकते. Number 2, television. It is impossible to carry television on pocket. Number C, mobile phone. So C option is the correct option. Put the tick mark in front of C option, mobile phone. Okay, now let's see number 3. We can send printed messages through a. Once again I will read for you. We can send printed messages through a radio. Option A. Option B, television. Option C, fax machine. So option C, fax machine is the right answer. Put the tick mark. Fax machine, radio में we can listen only. Television we can not send the messages. We can receive the messages. We can watch the people and we can hear the people. But fax machine is a machine where we can send and receive the printed messages. Right? Number 4. Internet is related to. Once again I will read. Internet is related to option A, computer. Option B, radio. Option C, newspaper. So internet is related with computer. Nowadays it is related with mobile phone also. Sometimes it is happening your computer is not working nicely but your mobile is working nicely with the internet because mobile is 4G facility, है ना? Okay. Now let's see number 5. We see live programs on television with the help of. Once again I will read because I am doing oral this exercise. We see live programs on television with the help of option A, computer. Option B, satellite. Option C, telephone. So satellite word is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Put the tick mark in front of option B, satellite. Now it's time to do the true and false. It's time to do the true and false, है ना? Let's see. A telegram reaches very quickly. This statement is true or false? A telegram, it is talked about the early time. Early time में postcard will take time to reach to one place to another. Envelope also will take time, or envelope also was take time to reach one place to another place, but telegram could reach within 1 or 2 days. So this statement is completely true. A telegram reaches very quickly. This is completely true statement. So number 1 का true. Number 1 का true. Let's see what is number 2. Radio is a fast wireless means of communication. Radio is the fast wireless means of communication. Yes, radio is the first wireless means of communication. Yes, this statement is also true. Radio can run by the cell also. Wire is not required. Electricity connection is not required for radio. Let's see number 3. We can see person giving news on radio. Can we see a person on radio? No, this statement is false. We cannot see a person on radio. So this statement is false. Now number 4, an email does not need paper. Yes, email not need, not required a paper. Number 4, true. Number 5, we can read book on an e-reader. Once again I will read. We can read a book on an e-reader. Yes, we can read. When we will download e-reader, we can read each and every book, whatever we want to read. This statement is also true. This statement is also true. Okay, so note down these. This time I did not write the question because my board was dry. Okay, I hope you noted down. Okay, now circle the odd one out in each set. Exercise number C we will do. Circle the odd one out in each set. Number 1. Now my board is dry, so I am going to write exercise number C. Circle the odd one out in each set. Speed post, telegram, courier, and radio. Speed post, telegram, courier and radio. ठीक है. Speed post word is related with post. Telegram is also associated with post office. Courier services is also associated with post office. Radio is a broadcast. Radio is a broadcast means of communication. So this is odd one out. We will make the circle on this word. Number 2, mobile phone. Mobile phone. Newspaper. Newspaper, telephone, and computer. Okay, so mobile phone, telephone and computer, these are the mass media. These are the mass media. है ना? And newspaper is a printing means of communication. Newspaper is the cheapest as well as printing means of communication. So put the circle or make the circle because it is odd one out. Okay, now let's see number 3, email. Internet. Email, internet, pencil, computer. So email, internet and computer, these category are the same, and pencil is a stationery Cancel word. Now number 4. Radio, television, newspaper, and eraser. So, radio, television and newspaper, these three are the means of communication. Eraser is again a stationary item. So, make a circle on eraser word. Note down these. You have not to do anything else. Only you have to make circle, circle and circle only. Circle, circle and circle only. Okay, so hope you noted down all these things. Now it's time to write the question and the answers. I am rubbing this. Hope you noted down. Okay, answer the following question. Question number 1. What do you understand by the means of communication? बेटा this time my board is very small. मेरा board बहुत छोटा है. So question you will write from your book. Question आप अपनी किताब में से लिखना. मैं सिर्फ आंसर लिख रही हूँ. Okay, hope you understand my problem. Question number 1. Answer number 1. What do you understand by communication? What do you understand by communication? Communication से आप क्या समझते हैं? That is asked in the question. So communication means I will send you these question and answer through WhatsApp group also. When that time you will watch this video, I will send. Communication means sending or receiving messages. This is the answer number 1. Communication means sending or receiving messages. Okay. Now again question number 2 you will note down from your book. I am going to write answer number 2. How did people in olden time communicate with each other? This is question number 2. How did people in olden time communicate with each other? It is asked in the question that Okay, so let's write the question number 2. You will write from book. Answer number 2 I am going to write over here. In olden time, in olden times, people used smoke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke signal. Smoke signals, comma, pigeon, kabutar, pigeon post. है ना? They will train the pigeon. They will train the pigeon, and pigeon will sending and receiving messages. है ना? Then sign languages. सांकेतिक भाषा, in Hindi we can say sign languages, सांकेतिक भाषा. When we can, sign language means when we are not able to speak, when we are not when we are not able to speak, that time we will use sign languages. Most of the time what we are doing, if a person is very far from away, what we are doing? Bye, good, we, these all are the sign languages. This is means all the best, good. This is means V for victory, bye, this, these all are the sign languages, है ना? And beating drums. Beating drums means in Hindi we can say that ढोल बजा के या मुनादी पिटवा के, जो पुराने जमाने के राजा महाराजा मैसेजेस देते थे, that is called beating drums, and many more. Okay, so this is answer number 1. In olden time, people used smoke, sign languages, pigeon post, sign languages, beating drums, and many more. Okay, now note down. Now you are able to see. Now, what are the various means of mass media? Question number 3. Again, I am not going to write question number 3. I will write answer number 3. What are the various means of mass media? What are the various means of mass media? Here, we will discuss about the mass media. Mass media means like computer, radio, newspaper, satellite and all. Okay, so answer number 3, radio, television, computer, satellite, satellite word will not fit over here, so you are not able to see the right spelling of satellite, so I am writing here satellite. Satellite e-readers. These are media, means of mass media, full stop. This is answer number 3. I am not in front of the board, so you can write it nicely. Orally bhi beta, I always say each and every word I always pronounce, so you cannot have any trouble while writing. Question number 1, what do you understand by the communication? This question you will write from your book, किताब से लिखना है. Answer I wrote over there. Communication means sending or receiving messages. COMMUNICATIO, and communication MEANS means SENDING, sending, OR or RECEVING, receiving, MESSAGES, messages. Okay, question number 2. How did people in olden time communicate with each other? पुराने जमाने में लोग कैसे एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करते थे? Answer number 2. In olden time, people used smoke signals, pigeon post, sign languages, beating drums, and many more. Sorry, comma will not come over here. End से पहले comma नहीं आता है. Okay. Now, question number 3. What are the various means of mass media? Radio, television, computer, satellite, e-readers. These are the various means of mass media. Okay, I hope you took the screenshot. Now I am going to rub and I will write question number 4 and 5. Answer number 4 and 5. This chalk is very dusty. Whenever I use this chalk now, I became a dustbin because the entire dust will come on my face, on my blazer, on my skin. I really do not like this. Okay, question number 4. Answer number 4. Question again you will write from your book because this board is very small and your answers are quite big. Question number 4. How is a radio different from television? How is radio different from television? Here difference is asked in the question. What are the difference between radio and television? Right? So, write with me answer number 4. The basic difference is the radio radio broadcast broadcasting only transmit है ना. रेडियो सिर्फ ब्रॉडकास्ट करता है, प्रसारण करता है. वी कैन नॉट see anybody on radio. We can listen only audio. है ना? While television broadcasting spelling is quite big. It is not fit for this place. I am writing here. Broadcasting weather, along or digital transmit both audio and video. Both audio and video. This is the main difference. Okay. Write answer number 4 because answer number 5 is lengthy. It will take the entire page, entire board. Take a screenshot quickly. Okay. Hope you took the screenshot. I am writing answer number 5. I will send the photograph also in the respective class groups. What are the advantage of internet? Question number 5. What are the advantage of internet? Here we will discuss in this question about the advantage of internet. Internet के क्या advantage है? So the main advantage of the internet is its ability to connect billions of to connect billions of computer devices to each other. Not does the internet create convenience to sharing and receiving information between users. Another advantage of the modern internet is, okay, so this is the main advantage. The main advantage of the internet is its ability to connect billions of computer devices to each other and convenience and sharing and receiving messages and sharing and receiving information between users. Okay, so this is the answer. The main advantage of the internet is its ability to connect billions of computer devices to each other and sharing and receiving information between users. This is the advantage of the internet. This is the advantage of the internet. Okay. So note down this answer number 5. Okay, hope you noted down all the question answers and exercise of the chapter, and I will send the photograph also when you will see this lecture, this class. That time I will share the question and the answer in group. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, and when we will meet in the next time, we will start the new chapter number 14. Open your ears and listen carefully. अपने कान खोल के ध्यान से सुन लीजिए. Chapter number 14, safety rules and first aid. I am not going to take this chapter now. अभी मैं ये chapter number 14, safety rules and first aid नहीं ले रही हूँ, because chapter number 15 is very important. Our earth. We should know each and everything about earth. So this chapter is more important rather than safety rules and first aid box. And I have less time to complete my syllabus. So I will take chapter number 15 and chapter number 16. Chapter number 15 and 16 is my priority. So first I will take chapter number 15 and 16. Chapter 14 and 17, if I will have time, that time I will continue, otherwise I will skip these chapters. So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, and do not ask me again and again why you skip this chapter. First aid box के बारे में तो you already learned in class 2 and 1 also. है ना? Chapter number 15, the earth, and 16 are more important, earth and sky. So we will learn about these chapters. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day. God bless you. Keep yourself fit and fine. Keep watching, keep studying, keep reading, and keep giving me likes. Bye bye.